Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Well, silver has turned around again to the downside here. We want to talk about this imminent wave pattern here. What are the probabilities? And I can only tell you that at the moment the probabilities are fairly equal between a breakout to the upside and a breakdown. The reason is that, again, we have failed at 3 waves here. We have not managed to push up in 5 waves. So this silver has avoided to carry out an ideal wave pattern, which is not a good sign, and it just increases the likelihood of breaking down. We've now broken below the descending trend line again, and the wave pattern we have here, so there's a few possibilities. First possibility is the low could be already in here because we reached the reversal area, we've reached the bigger target area. However, silver can also come down all the way to $13.65 in this scenario. So it is still possible to come down lower. Yeah? We've only really touched that target area. So, but let's say assumption is the low is already in. What silver would need to do, 5-wave move up, you can get away with a 5-wave count here. Yes, wave 1 done, wave 2 done. Now we would be in wave 3, there will be a wave 4 and a 5. This is the requirement to complete, that silver convinces us that this is a bullish breakout pattern. Problem is, in this third wave, we didn't really get 5 waves. Always a warning sign. Yeah, we didn't get waves 1. Well, we did get waves 1, 2, and 3, and then it would have been nice to see waves 4 and 5, but it did break down. It failed at 3 waves. This does not give me a lot of confidence that we will still see another push up. Yeah, it would have been good to see that. Yeah, in both a bullish pattern, but also actually in the bearish ABC pattern, I would have expected 5 waves up. Yeah, all we can do here is look for the ideal waves, but it did fail. It did fail. Yeah, and if you look at the Fib retracement for a wave 4, yeah, we basically dropped below that 50% Fib level here. So when you trade this, for example, yeah, had you gone long here in this 1-2 setup, traded the wave 3, one remark here is why when I trade, I often already take profits in wave 3 towards the end of the wave 3, because sometimes you just fail at 3 waves. You don't need to get 5 waves. There's never a guarantee. If these things fail at wave 3, you're rolling over. And therefore, I often already take profits in wave 3. It's the most profitable wave anyway. But then, one idea then to generally as sort of for the future maybe to set a stop loss. Yeah, when you have 3 waves, then what you want to see in a 4th wave, you want to hold the 50% Fib level. Now you failed, and when you fail the 50% Fib level, it's often not a wave 4 anymore. I can still give it the benefit of the doubt, but there's a lot of hopium in here, so I don't think we're going to see this play out, to be honest. Let's see. I mean, it's not invalidated, but it just loses a lot of confidence. Okay, so it could still push higher, and then we have our ABC or 1, 2, 3, and we still won't know if this is a breakout until we have 5 waves. Now, one pattern to break down straight away, yeah, which I think is actually quite likely now, is that this was a WXY, and that each of these has 3 subwaves, ABC, ABC, ABC. And with that WXY, it can roll over straight away, and we would then say that we are already in the 5-wave move down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's calculate target for wave 3. If we've reached it already, that would be the 1.618 extension. We've reached the 1.236. I think based on that, this could still push down to 1867 in a wave 3, and then there will be a wave 4 and a wave 5 down. So my view is at the moment it's fairly balanced in terms of can we go up or can we go down. There's a fairly balanced probability on both sides, but point is, if we break below the wave 1, which is at again $18.97, then I think it increases massively the chances and probabilities for a bearish outcome. As long as we hold it, we haven't technically invalidated the 5-wave move up here, and in that scenario we would need to push higher and get into this target range. I leave it on the table now on the chart because it's not invalidated yet, but if we go below 1897, I'll probably take it off, and then the focus will be on going down straight away in a 5-wave move. And then we had a WXY here and coming down in a 5-wave move. So not a lot of confidence, up and down, a lot of volatility here in the market at the moment. Certainly no sign of strength at the moment, and far away from being an ideal pattern here. Okay, and that's my update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then also check out my main channel, More Crypto Online. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.